What's up my sugies? Ashley here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you what I eat in a day. From recipes to workouts and everything in between, you're going to be with me every step of the way. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. Okay you guys, let's go ahead and get started with the first meal of the day, and that is of course breakfast. I am not a huge lover of breakfast, so making an acai bowl is easy and healthy and quick for me. This one, however, is a little bit different than the one that I uploaded on my channel previously because I'm trying to lean out just a little bit more, so I wanted to make it a little bit healthier. We're gonna start with our regular, same as always, the Zambozin. I don't know how you pronounce it. But this acai, and always the unsweetened kind, because why do we need added sugar if it's not necessary? Then our Ninja blender, which I have upgraded to the Ninja and don't know what I was doing before with my little Oster Target blender. This is literally a game changer. I usually put sweet dark cherries to give it a little bit something to blend up with. But instead of that, because these are a little bit higher in sugar, I'm going to do the sliced rhubarb. I'm going to use the same amount that I do for the dark sweet cherries, and I'd say that's like a handful. Next, I'm going to take my stevia and I do a full dropper just to give it that added sweetness without the calories. And using my egg white protein that's non-flavored, I'm going to use 1 scoop just for some added protein. And the last step is I usually add a little bit of either almond milk or coconut water, but I'm just gonna do regular water, again, for less sugar and less calories. Now this is always for me according to texture and what it looks like, so I just pour maybe a 1/4 cup in and then start the blender, and if I need more, then I add more. If I don't, then I don't. Put our top on, and let's roll. Close your ears, because it's about to break your eardrums. Seriously. Whoa. Always makes me so nervous, it's so loud. Let's hope for the best. I'm hoping by only changing 2 small things, which is the protein and the rhubarb, in place of the cherries, it won't make a big difference. If it does, well, we're in trouble. Again, what I love about this is you can take the blade right out. There's literally no space for anything to hide in here. So it's gonna go straight into our bowl. Look at that, there's like nothing left over. I love that, we're not wasting. And then we're gonna top it with a little bit of extra raspberry just because we have no fun inside. We have no dark sweet cherries, we have no granola. And now for the true testament of our hard work and dedication. Please take a look at how good this looks. Yum. I don't know, but I am loving it. I'm going to enjoy this, and I will meet you right back here in my kitchen for lunch or a snack, depending on what's going on with my tummy. Okay guys, it is almost 2 o'clock and I am going to go ahead and have a small light lunch. Again, trying to stay very, very low carb, trying to just do similar to the keto, really low carb. Fats are okay, meats are okay, protein is okay, but trying to stay lean, lean, lean. So I've decided to make my own version of a charcuterie board using some green bell pepper, which I personally love. I know people think it's disgusting, but I love it. So any vegetable, I personally love hard salami and some good mozzarella cheese. So I'm gonna rinse off my vegetable and chop it up. And then there is Genoa salami and hard salami. Not a huge difference between them, it's just personal preference. I just personally love hard salami. Wrapping these in my mozzarella cheese, just kind of fold it in half. And this always depends on your body, what you're going through, your appetite, your workout regimen, all of those things, your metabolism. I'm a firm believer in going with what your body feels. When you're hungry, you need to eat. When you don't, you don't. So sometimes I end up having 3 full meals a day. Sometimes I'll have a huge breakfast, a small tiny lunch, and a small tiny dinner. Right now, I'm not feeling super, super hungry, so I'm gonna have this. And then for dinner, I'll show you that a little while later. I'm going to enjoy this, and I will see you guys later on for dinner. remember, lots and lots and lots and lots of water. I carry this thing around with me everywhere I go so that I'm always drinking water. Okay guys, I am wrapping up my day and I'm going to put together some dinner so I can do a quick workout and come back and have something to eat. I'm going to prepare something that is simple, quick, and easy, but it's something that might sound a little bit weird, but I promise it's not. I am a lover of chicken breast, but vegetables are not my most favorite thing. So I've been trying different vegetables that are healthy and low carb, and I came across a wonderful recipe for Brussels sprouts. Now I know what you're thinking, they're disgusting. No one thought they were more deplorable than your girl. However, I think I have mastered a way to mask the taste and make them a little bit enjoyable to eat. So I'm gonna show you how I put this together really quickly. I'm gonna go have a workout and then I'll come back and eat. So I'm going to start off by preheating my oven to 350 degrees for my chicken breast. Now while that's happening, I'm going to prepare the Brussels sprouts on this small, basic sheet pan. Items that I'll be using to make them is salt and pepper, olive oil, and garlic. Very simple, very basic, but I promise it's delicious. And if you have a little bit of, I can't believe it's not butter, you can throw that in too. I shouldn't be waving around the knife, but you get what I'm saying. So I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to begin by taking my Brussels sprouts, which, by the way, they're just little baby cabbages. They're nothing crazy. And I'm going to peel the outer leaves, just the first couple that look, you know, a little sketch. For you who haven't seen a Brussels sprout like me. Okay, and I'm just going to chop off the bottom, and we're gonna cut it into 4 pieces. So we're gonna cut it down the middle, just like that. Flip it over, cut down the middle again. Throw it on the pan. Move on to the next one. I'm going to put salt, pepper, olive oil, garlic. Those 4 items. That's it. P.S. If you want a little trick, someone taught me this, I think my mother, the other day. So I do the pepper, and I do a little bit of a heavy hand because it needs a lot of flavor. And then for the salt, pour the salt down, rub them together. See how the salt flies out? Isn't that amazing? A little drizzle of EVOO, like Rachel Ray says. And good stuff. Be liberal with this. I mean, unless you don't really like garlic, but I do. Because again, we're trying to build flavor where our vegetables are lacking. It sounds mean, but it's the truth. Give it a little rough stir, spread them out. We're moving on to the chicken. And I just get 2 breasts, nothing crazy. I'm just going to trim the fat off. My 3 breasts inside my pan. I'm gonna do a little bit of black pepper and 3 ingredients. I'm gonna do some lemon juice. This will give it a little bit of an acidity. And then I put on plain Italian seasoning. The key ingredient, 1 chicken bouillon cube. For those of you who do not know what this is, my mother introduced me to it at a very young age, and it's basically chicken stock in a cube. What this does is it brings it flavor and helps keep it moist. So I do 1 cube, and then I put in some water. I fill it up about halfway. I'm gonna put the chicken in first because it does take longer. I'd say about double the time. So I'm gonna put this in now, go for my workout, come back, and then put the Brussels sprouts in because they only take about 20 minutes. Ooh, Lord Jesus is a fuck. So I will see you guys in about 45 minutes. Okay, you guys, I have just completed my workout and I am so hungry and so tired. but I wanted to show you what the final product looked like. I just pulled this out of the oven and I'm going to plate it up really quick and I will be right back. Okay, here is the finished product. This is my Brussels sprouts and my roasted chicken, and I'm so excited to eat it. It smells so good. The chicken is really tender, and like I said, some of the Brussels sprouts are crispy and some of them are perfectly al dente, so I can't wait to dig into this. And this will complete my entire video for what I eat in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some inspiration for yourselves. I will leave the recipes of everything that I made down in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and find me on my social media. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Do you hear this? Do you? I can't make this stuff up. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna bring the camera and I'm gonna show you. What in the world's going on in today's? Oh, there you go. Oh my God. Do you see this? I'm not making this up. What in tarnation is he doing? We're about to bulldoze my place.